Hello student, welcome back to BEHS Subati Academy. This is your science teacher. So we have already started our chapter, that is our nervous system. So in this chapter we have learned about the function of nervous system. We have learned different parts of our brain, and also we have started a new topic, that is sense organ. Means we have the total 5 sense organ: ear, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. Skin is the largest organ of our body. And in the live class, I have already explained you about the eyes. Today in this video, we have to learn about next sense organ, that is nose. We all know that nose is very important for us, because whenever we have to breathe in, breathe out, we do this function with the help of nose only. So, and also the nose help us to smell and the things, whatever aromas, whatever smells are there, we have to smell those things with the help of nose, and also we breathe in and breathe out with the help of nose. Now if we will talk about the structure of a nose, so there is a nasal cavity inside the nose. Okay, there is a nasal cavity inside the nose. Basically this cavity has very tiny hairline. You can also see in your nose that when you see inside your nose, you find that there are some small tiny, very tiny hair like a structure. So basically the functions of the hair like structure inside the nasal cavity to filter the air we breathe. Okay, whenever we breathe the air, it filters the air, means whatever the dust particles are there in the air, so it will be rejected by these hair like structure in the nasal cavity. And also when we inhale, the particles in the air come in the contact with the these hair like structures. Okay, whenever we inhale the air from the atmosphere, so it stop the dust particle which are present in the air with the help of these hair like tiny hair like structure. And also if we will talk about it again, I will tell you the nose help us to smell so many things around us. So basically the sensory nerves help us detect smell and send information to the brain. Already we know that nerves are present in our whole body. So there is a sensory nerves which is directly connected to the we can say to brain. So whatever we smell, this nerve send information to the brain. Okay, then our brain then help us to identify the smell. So already we have learned that nervous system also include the nerves, and all the nerves are attached to the sense organ with the brain. So whatever we feel the things, we smell the things, it directly the nerves, sensory nerves directly send this message to the brain, and brain help us to identify the smell. Okay, so this is about the nose only. In the next live class we will talk about the ears. Okay, read this topic very carefully. If you find any doubt, then ask me your doubt in the next coming live class. Okay, till thank you, stay safe at your home.